Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So after SBI clerk mail, so this is the first time I am taking the mock test, and this is the live test which was available on Oliveboard actually. So let's see. So today I have attempted this mock test and I attempted 42 questions out of 80. So in reasoning I attempted 26 questions and my 26 questions were right, and in quants I attempted 16 questions and in that 15 were right and I made one wrong question. And as you can see, my marks is 40.75 only. I know it is low, but I am satisfied that I maintained my accuracy. Actually, I thought after clearing the prelims of the SBI clerk, so I thought this is the last mains I'm going to attend and I have to do well in this exam. But unfortunately, I made very less attempts in the SBI clerk mains. Actually, I was that much prepared that this year I'm only going to study only SBI clerk mains only. So after that I'm not going to open any books and I'm not going to practice the quants aptitude. But as you already seen my analysis video that I didn't do well in the SBI clerk mains, especially in quant section actually I attempted only very less questions in that actually. So last time only at least I think I attempted more than 65 plus, so this time it was below 60. So I was really worried and it is hard to start the preparation again. I don't know what to tell. Um, actually, and it's hard to start the same thing and the same quants. Actually, I am practicing the arithmetic questions a lot. I don't know what happens in my exam, so I end up attempting less number of questions. So this time I am putting more efforts so that I score good marks in the quant section. So I am again starting this preparation. I am again clearing my basics. So because in SBI clerk mains, so what I felt was, so I just focused on practicing the GS section and the mains level questions. So I forgot the basics of arithmetic section and quants. So that's why I was not able to attempt good number of questions in the SBI clerk mains. So that's why I have started reading the basics again, and I'm practicing more number of questions in the quant section. If you have any suggestions regarding this, please do let me know in the comment section, and and also comment down your attempts and the marks in this mock test to those who have taken this. And please let me know in the comment section what was your attempts and how much you scored in this mock test. And those who have not taken this mock test, it is available till 7 p.m. Today only. You also take the test if you have not taken till now. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos and update like this, and follow Banking Spark.